Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Gramma in a Box, our favorite cookie dessert subscription of the month. This is the April 2020 box, so it does carry a spring/Easter theme. You get 3 projects. The last one always involves sugar cookies that you get to decorate, and my kids, 2.5 and 7, they both love it. It's just a lot of fun. And if a grandparent happens to be over, they do it with them. They've done it with the neighbor kids, so it's just tons of fun. Comes with everything you need. You get 3 different colors of icings every month. We have some melting chocolate for our first and second project. Some jelly beans, pretzels, and M&Ms for one of the projects. At least 3 to 4 sprinkles every month. I think we always get 4 actually. Anything else you'll need for the projects, and then you get cookies. So this month we got 2 bunnies, 2 little chicks, and then 4 eggs to decorate, and some parchment paper at the bottom to set your projects on so they can dry. So for the first project, I melted the chocolate and I put the little pretzels down. You put a little bit of chocolate in the center, and then you add an M&M and 5 of the pastel candy corn, so it's supposed to look like a flower. I think I put a little bit too much chocolate in mine because it all started shifting and moving around. So I always try to demo 1 for the kids, and then I let Jackson mainly because Raylan won't try it. She'll just eat the candy. You'll see her little hands coming in several times to steal the candy corn. She thought those were super yummy. So that was our first project. Typically takes 5-10 minutes to set up before you can move them. The chocolate will dry pretty quickly depending on the temperature in your house. But you always save at least half or as much of the chocolate as you can for the second project. So I dumped in the cornflakes and I gave it a really good mix to make sure it was all coated. We're going to be making some bird nests. And I will say I love licorice jelly beans. They are my favorite. And I know most people don't like licorice, so there was a couple ones in there, and I picked them out and ate them. So some of the nests do not have 3 eggs. But you are supposed to put a spoonful of the mixture, kind of press down the center, and then place 3 jelly beans in the center to look like a bird's nest. These are my favorite. I love this. It tasted really good. So Jackson's adding the eggs. And then we got to our cookies. So Raylan kind of takes her time to decorate them. Jackson rushes through it and squeezes as much icing as he possibly can on there. And every time I tell him, you're getting it off the cookie, you're getting some on the paper, just take your time and decorate it. Try to make it look like something. And he's just like, yeah, let's just throw the icing on as quick as we can because then I get to eat it. So that's kind of where he's going. Raylan will start decorating one, hop over to someone else's, throw some sprinkles on. She's all over the place. But I like watching her tiny little hands because she knows what she's doing. It's very cute. So again, I did one. I made a bunny cookie, and then I let the kids decorate the rest. And then they enjoy some of their treats, and then we put it away for the next couple days. That way we don't have a sugar rush before bed. So the cookies were very heavily iced, most of them. And here's kind of how our projects turned out. Birds' nests and our little flowers, and then our sugar cookies. So if you guys would like to join, sign up for a subscription. You can get your first box for $10, and I'll put all the information in the description box below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.